Hello. Oh, the Ninja Kitty wants something from me, does he? She's gonna slap me. What could you possibly want? Your friend Eddie Skipper Key says that you deserve to lick the bowls. Is that what you want, to lick the bowl? All right, back up. Oh, I don't have it on me. Back up. Back it up. And I'm going to let you lick the bowl. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Just had a little butter in it, didn't it? And some shrimp. Archie, you and me are going to go tracking, so you'll get some snacks for doing that. Spirit just wants to gain a few more ounces from licking the butter.